Hi kids! Gaano na kayo kagaling pagdating sa multiplication? Alam niyo ba na maraming pamamaraan upang kayo'y maging mahusay sa multiplication? Sali na sa IVFC programs.
9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 plus 9 is 54. 54 plus 9 is 63. 63 plus 9 is 72. 72 plus 9 is 81. 81 plus 9 is 90.
IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.